Today we are going to learn about me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Some other words used in place of naming words are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Tick the correct words in the brackets. 1. Mita sings a song. You also sing with her. 2. Madan is my friend. I like to play cricket with him. 3. Grandma brought mangoes for Jita and me. She loves us. She gave the packet of mangoes to me, and told me to share them with Jita. 4. Mother is tired. Give her a glass of apple juice. 5. Father has bought a new mobile. Mother likes it. 6. Will you tell me a fairy tale? 7. The teacher is in the class. She is teaching the children. She gives them books to read. Thank you.